Alrighty, so I want to talk about in today's video about how to focus on the thing that you're trying to do. It's not going to be edited or anything like that because I hate editing, it's time consuming and I have better things to do with my time. So, pretty much nowadays we have TikTok, we have social media, we have all that sort of stuff. So, let's say you want to do a biz, and right now there's drop shipping, there's Amazon FBA, there's agency, there's AI agency, there's OFM, and there's more. What you gotta focus on is literally only one thing. Only focus on one thing, and that's it. And especially now since we're moving into 2025, if you want to do OFM, DS, agency, AI agency, things I believe AI agency is a scam. But anyway, so what you got to understand is choose one of these things, and that's it. That's it. Do it for literally 4 to 6 months, and do this every single day. So if you are doing things like drop shipping, so DS, and launch like 2 to 5 products per month. Same thing goes with if you're doing content creation, so CC, then upload daily. That's a terrible demonstration of my artistic skills. Upload daily for 4 to 6 months, and that's it. And once you've chosen one of these models, because you can't do everything, there's a saying that goes, I forget who it's from, but if it's a jack of all trades is a master of none, which is true. So you can't be doing OFM, DS, content creation, Amazon FBA, working a full-time job, being a dad. You can't do all of these things at the same time. It's impossible because we only have 24 hours in a day, and if you sleep 8 hours, you commute 2 hours, and you work another 8 hours, so that's 8, 9, 10, that's 16 hours so far. So this is 16 hours out of your day that is gone. So then you've only got 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. You've got, sorry, that's meant to be 7. Now this 7 hours can go very quickly because you've also got to eat your dinner, you've got to go to the gym. So let's say that's 2 hours. Now you've only got 6 hours. People waste their time, so it's more like you've got 5 hours, then you've also got to shower, be hygienic. Now you've got 4 hours, and you're probably going to be distracted by something, so now you've got 3 hours. So you have between 3 hours and 2 hours to do something that you actually genuinely want to do instead of bouncing around from thing to thing each and every single couple of weeks, because that's what tons of people do, which is they do drop shipping for a week or two, give up. Do Amazon FBA for a week or two, give up. Do OnlyFans manager, do that for a couple of weeks, give up. They see Imangati videos and watch a couple of videos and, make a logo and they just give up. It's not going to work like this. You only have a very limited time of 3 to 2 hours, and if you haven't got a job, or you've got a part-time job, obviously you got more time. And if you haven't got obligations like you can work from home, then you've got more time because you don't have to commute or anything like that. You've got more time, then you can obviously dedicate it to one of these business models up here. But only choose one thing, because what so many people do is this is you are the center, and they focus on this, then 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 they focus on this, they focus on this, with this, and this. You get the idea. How are you going to make any achievement or any progress in any of these fields? These purple dots represent little bits of achievement, right? It's not big, it's tiny. If you took the same concept and you just had you and you focused on your, let's say, content creation, then you can take all these bits of energy for brain points. Let's say that you have 100 every day. You can focus at least 80 here. So you can focus all your energy nearly on here. instead of focusing on 1%, 3%, 6%, etc. Because you're not going to get anywhere if you focus on these little bits of progress, because it's incremental. If you focus 80% of your effort into something like this on one particular thing, then you're more than likely going to hit it. If I make videos like this each and every single day, yes, I was watching Twitch because I like watching Twitch. People are allowed to like stuff. And what eventually happens is you're going to eventually hit your goal on whatever it is. If my focus is solely on YouTube, and I really do YouTube, and then I do it literally daily, right? How do you spell daily? That's how you spell daily. And if I did one short, then I can concentrate it into TikTok, and I can do it on IG. Oh my god, my writing is atrocious. Then I can also do it on, what's another one? I don't know, X, for example. If I focus all my energy on this, and I also do, let's say, 3 long form content per week. 3 long form content videos per week. Now, you can translate this particular, I guess, framework into pretty much anything, whether it's dropshipping, whatever it may be. So, if I was to focus daily on YouTube, doing at least 1 short per day, then capitalizing on the benefits of I can just upload it to other social medias to get more reach, because the different algorithms are like different things. I can focus this and this. Then if I do, let's say, 80% of my efforts over 365 days, my chances of making people actually like me and all that stuff. So what will I get? I'll get subs, which is cool. I'll get views, which is cool. When you're starting out with content creation, these 2 here, and actually there's a third one, which is subs, views, community. Your last, but you should also think about it at the same time, your last but thing that everybody cares about is the amount of money that you can make. This here should be your last resort, because this will become so if you have this in your frontal cortex at the start and you don't make any money, then because you make no money, you won't be doing YouTube, you won't be posting daily, all of this sort of stuff. Then if you don't post daily and all that sort of stuff, your community won't grow, your views won't grow, your subs won't grow. Then eventually you'll just end up with no money whatsoever. So keep money out of your mind for now. Keep in mind for now, because we all know why people make content to make money, all that sort of stuff. But don't think about this stuff. Just focus on the daily action of doing whatever it is that you need to do. Then whatever your metric of measurement is, for YouTube's case it would be, your subs, your views, and pretty much your community. As long as you post daily, post on TikTok, post long form pieces of content in your videos, then eventually these things will come, as long as you're putting 80% of your effort into it, because you also have a job more than likely, and you also got to have energy for that. So I hope this made sense. You take some time today, maybe take 20-30 minutes. You choose what you actually want to do instead of going from one business model to another business model. I'm sure you get the point, and you are not, you're not stupid. And I'm sure you catch my drift of what I'm trying to say. I don't need to over explain it. Well, if you liked today's video, like, subscribe, share, all that sort of stuff. Have a good one.